So today here,
리기 여다
On this 90th birthday,
마상 대사시
though I'm 90 years old, I'm physically very
링내야
healthy.
電視
So throughout all these years,
누가 강의
for the good of the Tibetans and the Dharma and other people, and I've had great relationship with people around the world, and the scientists have discussions and dialogues with scientists. So it's been really fruitful for me so far in my life.
가다 미국 최고지기
So my life has been very fruitful, worth the human life,
가다
has been a worthy human life.
소울 교배
So Tibetans in the main,
망고랑아 레벨라
and I've been to other countries, east, west, north, south, where I have found so many people who admire me.
내가 미국 탑니 여대와 되기
So this human life that I have now
판도 갈라 가서 주셔지기
has been of
가르 제수 일하게야지 여기
quite a benefit to
더더냐
the people of the world.
게 미스 항말 디디
So the rest of my life I would dedicate
그저 툭툭이
to benefit, for the benefit of others
디던
as much as possible, as extensive as possible. So the institution of the Dalai Lama,
좀 연구를
so there will be some kind of a framework within which we can talk about the continuation of the institution of the Dalai Lamas.
야 영원히
Someone who was born in Tsongkha in Dome, Amdo, and then moved to central Tibet, Lhasa,
샤체
and then who sat for the final exams of a Geshe degree.
된다로
So,
내 주의
having gone through all these, I feel that I have been able to benefit the Dharma and sentient beings
그저 툭툭이
as much as I can. And for the rest of my life, I dedicate to benefit the beings and the teaching of the Buddha. I feel determined to do this. So that's all. Thank you.